Welcome back, everyone. Let us now see another uh, previous year question here. See, what they had asked was draw power plant chimney or plant chimney. What are the forces acting on it? Now, see here. uh, I will discuss more counter questions also they asked, but I will discuss later. Now, see, first we will solve here. See, the chimney typically looks like this. Okay. And the majority forces acting on it would be something shear force due to internal gases. There will be wind force and there will be self weight. We will be neglecting over here because the support is strong over here. So weight also would be also there, but these are wind force is the major acting force on this. Okay. Okay. They so we have discussed about this. Okay. So then they asked like why is the shape particularly like this? So there are several factors like to increase the velocity of the gases or say to since this point would be critical over here. So that might be the case. So you can specify the general reasons. They asked me then, or they asked in afterwards was uh, take any section, okay? So any particular section, suppose this is the section only, okay, and draw the bending stress variation about it. So if we take a section like this, since it is a hollow, would be like this. Now the how the bending stress will vary will be like this. Sorry, like this over here, and it will be here like this. But if I zoom in over here, it will be like this. These are the arrows over here, and it will be like this. I will draw this again over the other picture. It will be something like this. And the neutral axis will be the axis of chimney. Say this one. This will be the neutral axis. Okay. So NA will be the axis, chimney axis. See, this is then it will be not in the plane, huh? This see now I will explain it over here. We're taking it like this, okay, and this is on neutral axis. Wind forces are acting on this like this. Or if we consider a beam like this, okay, this is so. See, I'm showing what I was showing is like this. This is something like this. I hope you got this. This is a 3D diagram, huh? Not in plane. It will be here. It will be like this. आई होप यू गॉट माई पॉइंट। ये थोड़ा ठीक से समझ लेना, क्योंकि देखो थोड़ा विजिबल करने में थोड़ा सा यू कैन हैव सम प्रॉब्लम ओवर हियर। इट इज लाइक दिस इज अ क्रॉस सेक्शन। ओके, स्ट्रेस वेरिएशन विल बी लाइक दिस। ठीक है, सो दिस विल बी, सॉरी फॉर माय थोड़ा, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी। ठीक है, सो दिस इज इन एक्स वाई प्लेन्स पर से, and this thing is in direction of z. I'm telling you like this: z, x, and y. So this is direction in which the space will be aligned. I hope you got this much. Then they asked me to particularly draw the shear force diagram for the chimney safety with considering only wind forces. And the hint was given: consider it as UVL. So how we shall do it? Something like this: horizontal cantilever with a non-uniform diameter, or for simplicity we'll just consider like this. It should be the UVL. For simplicity, I told them it should be not zero over here, because at the ground level also there will be some wind. But for my simplicity, I assume to be zero over there, and I like this. Okay. Now the standard SFD would be some reaction over here, and now it is very slow to fast, so to fast, so like this. Okay, I hope you got this. So this was all about the critical thinking about the chimney and its structure, and the SFD also they asked in the same question. Okay, so just think of it this one at once again, and if you have any doubts, then let me know. Thank you.